I used to lose a lot of sleep at nights, just wondering, man, are we going to run out of this product? Did we ship out the correct product to people when we're really busy and it's all hands on deck, and people are just throwing products into the containers and innocently, like, we're up against the clock. But what do we have is that fail safe. And many times at night, like, we'd ship 20,000 orders in a day. Like, man, it's amazing. Hopefully 20,000 went out correct, or 20,000, or one of them wasn't missing something, because one wrong order, I do take personal on that one. I want to provide the best customer service I can to everybody and in the team as well. And between that and the inventory side, like, lose a lot of sleep back in the day from all these nightmares, but that's all been solved.